be unboxing, if I say this correctly, Oraloa diamond painting. In English, I think it means sun girl, but turn around so you can actually see. We are unboxing this one in round. So it's still in the plastic. I just got it today, so let's go ahead and take the plastic off. But if it doesn't mean sun girl in English, then I'm sorry. But again, this is a newer company. This will be my second diamond painting from this company. I have finished the one I unboxed earlier on my channel. So if you haven't seen it, go ahead and check it out on my channel. And if you go to my Instagram, you can see the finished product, okay? So let me push this back a little bit more so that way that's not being seen. But this kit is round. On the box it tells you a little bit of information that it is round. It's 71 centimeters by 71 centimeters, so about 28 inches long, big by 28 inches wide. A nice perfect square. So let's go ahead and get into this. So I dropped my measuring tape off of the thing. So we got some goodies in here. A sticker chart. I feel like the tools box is empty. I felt like something else is in there, but I guess it's not. So we got a little sheet of how to do everything. Yeah. Then we got our sticker sheet. So this is a full just printed sticker sheet. So I will have to cut these out. It has 50 colors, and it has 2 ABs. We have a purple AB and a green AB. But isn't she gorgeous? I really loved her. I love blue. That's my favorite color. I'm a blue-green type of girl. Blue-green is my favorite color. So let's go ahead and open the canvas. So it looks like this time they rolled the canvas with the design facing me. Last time it was rolled the other way. So let me find the, here it is. Ooh, the drills are on this end, a lot heavier on this end. Okay, so I won't be able to probably get the whole canvas in on the screen because it's really big, so you can see as I unroll it in a minute. So it does have that soft backing, kind of like, I wouldn't say velvet, I don't really know how to explain it, or felt, but sorry, my table's a little dirty. But yeah, it's very soft canvas. It is not a hard, thick canvas, and it just keeps going and going. So we have our drills. So let's go ahead and look at those, and we have our toolkit. Ooh, this time I got a blue. Last time I got pink wax, I think, and this time I got blue. I did get another set of tweezers, so that's good. So this is my second set of tweezers. And these, they don't have the little cap on it, which I wish they did, because these are a little pokey. I mean, not too pokey, but I wish they did have the cap on it. But some really nice tweezers. I've been using, I forgot, I think Dreamer Design ones are somewhere over here that I've been using, and they kind of remind me of those. Here we are. But they are a little bit thicker. Well, nope, see? Almost the same as Dreamer Designs, but they don't, again, have that protective thing on there, so be careful. I think it caused a hole in my bag or something. But you got your float, you got your sparkly tip, which you did get 2 tips. Those are the big ones. And again, blue wax has, I think, 2 of them. Like I said, my kit's falling out because I think since it didn't have the plastic on there, it kind of came off. So, let me just put this aside so we can look into these drills. The drills do come pre-packaged in their baggies. So if you're a baggy type of girl or person or crafter that likes the bags, you are ready and set to go. I'm trying to open them a little bit. But just to get in here and see some of these colors, I mean, like I said, I'm a blue person, and I want you to see some of these blues because there's 2 bags of this really pretty blue. It's the color 36. The DMC color is 3765. I almost said the wrong color. But look how pretty. It's like an ocean blue, royal blue, sea blue type color. You got 2 bags of those. Of course, you got a light blue. Then you got 2 bags of this, oh, well, that one's almost off, 807. So you got 2 bags of 807. Okay, really pretty. You got another purplish blue. Let's see. This is this purple or is this blue? It's 823, so it's probably like a deep navy blue, but sometimes in some of the light, to me it looks almost like a purple hue, but I guess it's blue. You got 2 bags of 803. So again, a lot of blue. This is going to be very pretty. I really like the praying or the the relaxing hands in this picture. You got a big bag of 792, so a bunch of different hues of blue, and then of course you have some green in there. I'm not going to go through all the colors because they're actually in order from 1 to 2, but I did want to get in here and get out the AB colors. So there's not going to be a lot, but you do have a green AB, which is 906, and it is very pretty. So let's see if I can get it to focus in. So pretty AB 906, and then see if I can focus it that way. I don't know why it doesn't want to focus tonight, but that's okay. And then you got a pretty 209. I said that wrong. Mixed the colors up with a stowaway and a blue in there. But you got this pretty purple AB. Very pretty. Okay, so that's 49 and 50, and then let's see if we got any black in here. Will this canvas have no black? I think my last canvas had no black too from them. So yeah, there's no black in here. And my last canvas, like I said, had no black. So if you're looking for a canvas that has no black, then look at this website. So this is very pretty. So this is a teal or sea green color, 3851. It's very pretty. Like I said, a lot of greens and blues hues in here. Very pretty. This one's 45 because I totally just pulled it out. So there we go. Alright, so those are your drills. Pretty hefty bag. And then let's get into this canvas. So, oh, look at all the blue. Oh my gosh, I love blue. Oh, isn't she pretty? Very pretty. So her eyes are closed, and that will be pretty simple. So this is going to have a lot of color blocking with some confetti. Like there's a little bit of mixture. I wouldn't say necessarily confetti, but some color change, some fading in the hair. So that looks very pretty. We got the background is all blue. Let's see. T and F is going to be the AB colors, so we'll kind of look there. So here in the green, there's some F's, and then it's a lowercase t. So that one I'm not quite sure where it might be, but again F right here. Oh, right here, the green. So purple, we got some purple, which is the F. I did the wrong F actually here, my bad. This is the green F. So it's lowercase t and lowercase f. That's where it threw me. So lowercase t is right here in her flower green thing. Don't see any right there. The butterfly has purple ABs. And I think that might be it. It's just that little, it's a little sad. Wish there was a little more mixture of ABs. Because this has purple in it, so it would be very nice, unless I'm just missing it doing a quick overlook, but I don't think so. So it looks like that the only F's are right here, and the butterfly, and then the T's are right here. Kind of, sorry about my dog, kind of a little disappointing that that's the only beat purples. Like I said, it probably would have been pretty to add couple of purples here, which if I have enough left over I might do. I did that on my last one. I added some in there, but let me just kind of bring it down a little bit so you can see the whole picture. You got very clear bracelets. Okay, so very clear bracelets. The thing, this one is just really gorgeous. Okay, So the background does have a little bit of confetti over here, which I'm off screen, sorry about that. So over here there's a little bit of confetti. You got about 5 colors mixed in back here, but not too many. But yeah, this one will probably be a lot of color blocking. I would say it's more color blocking than confetti, but again, you have a good mixture in the flowers and in her hair, and then in her skin tone a little bit. But like here is mainly all V's, and mainly all the colors there. So not too much confetti. Again, they wrote it backwards, so let me roll it this way so I can show you guys the drill printing so you can see how clear it is. There's no circles or guided circles like some of them. I mean, it does have a circle form, so I guess you would say it does have kind of a guided circle, but it's not very, it blends to me. It just blends. So I don't like to call it a guided circle like some of the other ones, but let me get that to you to get it to focus in so you can see how clear, there it goes. See how clear it is? That's how clear it is. Let me show you this one side where I was telling you it's still color blocking, but you have your confetti. It is poured glue. But yeah, so like I said, like over here, this will probably mainly be color blocking. So this is the background for over here. If I can keep it folded and actually show you guys. So right there, oh yeah, there. See, mainly triangles, and then it goes into the U's, and then you got some Q's. I couldn't tell what blue was. So very pretty. I love the blue. I can't wait. Like I said, I love her hands. It kind of reminds you to take a moment in life these days and think about namaste, relax, pray, whatever you do to relax. Just take a breath. I really love it. Let us see, where did I put it? But let us see if it measures true. So I got my measuring tape. So it is supposed to be, what did I say, 71 centimeters. So let's do that. We got one over here, and it is exactly 71 centimeters. So if you want to flip it over to see in inches, it is exactly 20, maybe slightly smaller than 28, like just a hair, like literally maybe not even a hair, but it is 71 centimeters by, let me flip it around. Oops. There, flatten it out, 71 centimeters. So it is true to size. It is a newer company. There is a link. I'll link a post, or I'll link their website to the video down below, and it will, if you use the link I put down there, you can save, I think it's like 15% if you use that link. But go check them out. This will be my second one I've done. I've done another one. It was more of a fall color one with the little cup. But I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like my video.